Hi everybody, welcome to Toy Time Videos. Today we're going to be playing with the Fisher-Price Little People Surprise and Sounds Home. And here's our Fisher-Price Little People family. And this is Emma.
Hi everybody, I'm Emma. Welcome to my home. I'm so happy you're here.
And here's Emma's mom and dad.
Hello everybody.
Hi there, welcome to our home.
It looks like their kitty cat is sleeping in the window. Let's take a closer look. Hey, where did the kitty cat go? Well, there she is. The kitty cat's gone again. Oh, there she is, but she's sleeping. Hi, kitty cat. It looks like the kitty cat's gone. Silly kitty cat. Okay, I think it's time to go inside and play in the home. This should be a lot of fun. Well, this looks like a fun house to play with. Hey, it looks like Emma's mom is in the kitchen. Let's see what she's doing. It looks like Emma's mom is baking cookies. Let's check on the cookies for her.
Look, the cookies are baking. Let's look at them through the window. Be careful, it's hot. The cookies are ready. Let's get some milk.
Okay, let's open up the fridge and see what's inside.
What should we have for a snack? Close the door tight. What looks good? Close the door tight. The red apple looks yummy.
Now let's see what Emma's dad is doing in the living room. Emma's dad is watching TV. It looks like Emma's in her bed sleeping. Let's go wake her up. Okay, Emma, it's time to wake up. Let's hit the alarm clock. Emma went back to bed. It's time to wake her up again. Sorry, Emma, it's time to wake up. Emma, you can't be a sleepyhead all day. It's time to wake up. Silly Emma wants to keep sleeping. Sorry, Emma, it's time to get up.
Let's have a yummy breakfast to start the day.
Well, Emma and her daddy are in the kitchen, but Emma's mom is in the bathroom. Let's go make sure she washes her hands.
Wash your hands and they'll be squeaky clean. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. It's time for a bubble bath.
It looks like everybody's in the kitchen now. Maybe they want to have a dance party. Let's go see. Okay, let's turn on the music.
Come dance with me.
Put your hands, put your hands, put your hands up. Put your hands, put your hands, put your hands up. Put your hands, put your hands, put your hands up. Wanna dance, get down when the bass drops.
You can twinkle like a shining star. Just wish upon a spark.
Well, that was fun. Well, it's time for Emma and her family to sit down and have some supper at the table. That food looks yummy. Now that supper's over, Emma's gonna watch some TV, and her mom and dad are gonna have a little rest in their bedroom. I think there's a knock at the door. I wonder who it is. Oh look, it's the mailman. And he has a surprise for Emma. Thank you, mailman. See you later. Okay, Emma, let's open up the surprise egg. I wonder what's inside. It's Rubble from Paw Patrol. Well, everybody, it's time for us to go. We hope you had fun playing with Emma and her mom and dad at their Surprise and Sounds home. Thank you so much for watching Toy Time videos, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.